Alright, so today I'm gonna be installing the extra brace I bought from eBay. All of the parts are in there. I don't want to take it out. I'm gonna be installing this shit at my boy's house. Everything should be in there. Can't really see it, but whatever. She got mad fucking screws and bolts. Look at this shit. It's crazy. You think the welds are pretty bad on that shit?
I mean, they look a little crappy. Yeah, they don't look.
It's eBay though, they don't matter. I don't know which side these go though. They could be like this. Is it like this? Oh shit, I'm gonna man. $200. Is it like that? Or flip it over like I just did. Just. Or like that.
Where's the
There's no instructions, nothing. A picture of it?
Yeah.
Today, bro. Let me see. Focus, Poppy. Do me a favor. Tap on the fucking on the screen. Oh, no, wrong screen. There you go. Tap it. There you go. Can't really tell, but picture that and do that. Oh, it is like that. Give you details, DK, so you can.
You can see kind of how it goes assembled.
Yeah.
No, that part's not the problem.
This is the hardest part, like I told you. Figuring out where to cut these things at.
That part's probably one of the easier parts.
The cutting thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't know where is it at though. I know it's right here, but where exactly? Am I right or am I wrong? Yeah, the rear stress. And the top one goes on the fucking seatbelt up here.
Where the seatbelt goes.
Right here, a little thing about. It's right there? Yeah. That's a little, can't even see that shit. Oh, there you go. I think you pop a little cap, right? Let me see. You got a flathead there? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it goes in right here.
These are the ones that go on the strut, I assume?
Yes. Yes. Does that make it faster, right?
50 horsepower.
Hell yeah. Wow. Oh.
Check.
Whoa, that hubcap costs money as OEM, right?
Oh yeah, my ass. You like that line? Mine looks legit, bro.
You sure it was there?
Shit goes perfect.
No, are you sure it was like right there?
It's around that area.
Alright. Let me put it back to the. Oh, dang, you should have put it more to the left, huh?
You can always cut it off. Give me the quarter, eh?
Wait, is it like a pussy, bro?
You touch it.
Can you see the difference in here? Hell yeah.
That made this one wide.
Looks about right. Just take the left one. That's the left one, right? Yeah. Good level. Just put it like this. We can know this is the left. And put it on the right side over there. Now we gotta take out those little things that you put and put those bolts, nuts, whatever it's called. I told you to do that in the beginning, but you didn't listen. Try to do it with one hand. I'm gonna make this shit go in here. Did you get to put it, like, why the fuck is it doing that? Are the instructions helping, friend?
No. Instructions.
We ain't done with everything. I wanna get a close up on that so people can see how they install that.
It's done.
Hell yeah. I'm getting it. Ooh. Damn, boy. Not even assembled yet, and we're still doing this. Look at this shit. Come on, friends. Wow, that's extreme. Let me see it from far away. Damn. You see that crossbar down there, though? That was better. I'll record when we actually, you know, Francis put the stuff, start bolts and stuff.
Business?
Yeah.
Well, why do you want to leave the seatbelt on if you're gonna take the seats off?
Yeah, but I'm gonna take them off now. It took us like fucking 3 hours, man, just to figure out how it goes. Watch. Check out my fucking knees. Oh my goodness. Oh, that shit hurt. You in?
Yeah, it's almost there.
It's down in. Oh. Is it in?
Yeah. Oh, it's in.
Let me see that shit. Oh, shit, nigga.
Dude, that saved your life.
Yeah, those. Damn, you can see that shit from a mile away now. Race car, right? Ooh. Now that looks nice. Let me see. It matches with the bottom. Oh my goodness, friends. Look at that shit. And no more tints. Let me see. Just shine the light on the fucking. Right through that bitch. Right through that bitch. Hell yeah. Just in case you guys end up buying it, you know what I'm saying? Look at it carefully, boys. Screenshot. That's for the bottom. That's for the top. I'll put this light on it so you guys can see it. Just in case, you know what I'm saying, Francis? In case they want to buy it. $8 is gonna help, huh?